Good morning student. We will continue chapter 9 percentage and its application, and we are now solving the topic profit and loss. Some problems on depends on profit and loss we will discuss here. Okay, we will take one question. A dealer bought this is your 9C third question. Question number 3. A dealer bought 50 quintals of rice at the rate of rupees 800 per quintal. He paid rupees 400. He paid rupees 400 as octroi charges. As we can say extra expenses, and rupees 600 as transportation charges. Then he sold the whole stock at rupees 750 per quintal. Find his gain or loss. Find his gain or loss. Same this. A dealer bought 50 quintal of rice at the rate of 800 rupees per quintal. That is TALS per quintal. He paid rupees 400 as octroi charges and rupees 600 as transportation charges. Then he sold the whole stock at rupees 750 per quintal. Find his gain or loss. Okay, firstly see purchasing price of rice is equal to rupees 800 per quintal. So total purchasing price for 50 quintal is equal to 1 quintal charge is rupees 800, then 50 quintal charge means rupees 800 multiplied by 50, that becomes 8 5s are 40, then these 3 zeros, that is rupees 40,000. What is the cost price for dealer? What we will do? We will add in this extra charges also. Rupees 40,000 plus 400 rupees as octroi charges and 600 rupees transportation charges. Then it becomes 41,000. It means cost price for dealer becomes rupees 41,000. SP selling price for dealer, that is equal to 750 rupees per quintal. It means rupees 750 per quintal. It means total SP for the dealer we have to do multiply by 50 also. Then it becomes 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35 for 2, 37,500 rupees. Now see, CP is rupees 41,000, SP is rupees 37,500 rupees. Then which one greater, SP or CP? CP is greater than SP. It means he will gain. Then he will get gain or loss? That is loss. Loss is equal to SP minus CP. SP is loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP is rupees 41,000 minus rupees 37,500. It becomes 10 minus 7, 3 rupees 3,500. So this type we will find out the gain or loss. Loss percentage if you want to find out, then what we will do? That loss divided by CP multiply by 100. Okay, see another question. Nine C, question number 5, first part. It is given to you CP rupees 20, gain is equal to 10%. Then find the selling price. Two types we can solve. If we take CP rupees 100, then SP 100 plus 10, that is rupees 110. CP is rupees 1, then SP 110 divided by 100. If CP is rupees 20, then SP 110 divided by 100 into 20, that is 22 rupees. And direct formula, that SP is equal to 100 plus gain divided by 100 multiply by CP. 100 plus 10 divided by 100 multiply by rupees 20. 110 divided by 100 into 20, cancel out, 10 2s are 20, then 11 2s are 22. This is rupees 22. So you can use your direct formula also for solving these type of question. Now see, a man bought a car rupees 60,000 and spent 10% of the cost of the car for the purchase of new tires. At what price should he sell the car to make a gain of 15%. ए मैन बॉट ए कार रुपीज 60,000. एक मैन ने 60,000 में कार बाय की है और उस पर स्पेंड किया है 10% ऑफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ द कार फॉर द परचेज ऑफ न्यू टायर. मीन्स जितने की कार है उसका 10% न्यू टायर परचेज करने के लिए स्पेंड किया है. तो ऐसे किस रेट पर उसको सेल किया जाए ताकि उस मैन को 15% का गेन होना चाहिए. तो इट मीन्स तुम्हें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, SP. फर्स्टली वी फाइंड आउट द टोटल CP. सो परचेजिंग प्राइस ऑफ कार, purchasing price of car, that is rupees 60,000. Purchasing price of new tire is equal to 10% of rupees 60,000. That become 10%. 10 by 100 multiply by 60,000, rupees 6,000. Now this, so CP is equal to, CP of car, cost price of car is equal to 60,000 plus rupees 6,000. That become rupees 66,000. Now CP you know. Now your question becomes like this: gain 15%. If we want to find out the SP, can we apply the direct formula for it? Direct formula for it, SP is equal to, what we can take, 100 plus gain divide by 100 multiply by CP. Now put the value, 100 plus 15 divided by 100 multiply by 66,000. That is 115 divided by 100 multiply by 66,000. To 0 cancel. It becomes 115 into 660. Now do multiply. 115 into 66. 6 5s are 30. 6 1 just 6 or 3, 9. 6 1 just 6. 7,5,9,0,0. It means he will sell the car at the price of 75,900. Then this is your SP of new car. So you can apply the direct formula also, or you can do by the unitary method also. More questions based on the profit and loss. Prem bought, now we are solving example, 150 dozen pen pencils at rupees 20 a dozen. His overhead expenses were, rupees 200. He sold them at rupees 2.40 each. He sold them at rupees 2.40 each. What was his profit or loss percentage? What was his profit or loss percentage? Okay, now see this question. Prem bought 150 dozen pen pencil at rupees 28 dozen. It means 1 dozen का cost है rupees 20. तो 150 dozen का cost कितना होगा? Firstly, I am solving directly, then you write down proper statement. 1 dozen it means 12 piece. 12 piece का cost है 20 rupees. 1 पीस का कॉस्ट कितना होगा? 20/12. इस पर 150 डजन का मतलब है 150 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12 पीस. एक डजन में कितने पीस होते हैं? 12. तो 150 डजन मीन्स 150 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12 पीस कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू 20/12 इंटू 12 इंटू 150. 12 to 12 cancel out, it becomes 15 to the 30, that is rupees 3000. It means जितने pieces purchase किए गए हैं उन pieces का total cost कितना है? rupees 3000. And overhead expenses rupees 200. So what is the total CP for the pencils? CP, so CP becomes rupees 3000 plus overhead expenses, that is equal to rupees 3200. Okay, now see, he sold them at rupees 2.40 each. It means उसके पास total कितनी pencils है? Total pen pencils उसके पास है 150 डजन. तो 1 पीस का कॉस्ट है 2.4 रुपीज. व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ? इट मीन्स 1 पीस कॉस्ट और SP इज रुपीज 2.40. तो टोटल पीस कितने हैं हमारे पास? 150 इंटू 12 पीस SP बिकम्स 2.40 multiply by 150 multiply by 12. Now do multiply. 15 4 the 60, 15 2 the 30, 36. 12 6 the 72. Sorry. 12 3 the 36, 36 or 7 43. It means selling price becomes rupees, selling price of pen pencil rupees 4320. So he get the profit or loss? Obviously he get profit because selling price is greater than how much profit? Rupees 1120, 1120. Your question is what was his profit or loss percentage? Then profit percentage, how to find out? Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by CP. How much? 3200 multiply by, then solve it. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 16. 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16, 4 2 is 8, 4 7 is 35%. It means he get the profit 35%. So how you, firstly you find out the total CP, then you will check your SP, then we find out the profit or loss. Then after we will find out the profit or loss percentage. One last question now we will solve. A man buys 120 oranges at 6 for rupees 5. And 120 more at 1 a rupee. And he sold the whole lot. He sold the whole lot for rupees 4 rupees 6. What was his total profit? Total profit and profit percent. See, what is the meaning of this question? There is very necessary that firstly you understand your question properly, that what the question want to ask. A man buys 120 oranges. एक मैन ने 120 ऑरेंजेस खरीदे हैं एट 6 for rupees 5. इट मीन्स 6 ऑरेंज का रेट है, 6 ऑरेंजेस एट rupees 5. देन व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 ऑरेंज हियर? 1 orange cost rupees 5/6. And total how many oranges he purchased from? 120 orange, 5/6 into, इट मीन्स उसने ₹100 में 120 ऑरेंज परचेज किए. इसका क्या मतलब है? 120 ऑरेंज एट 6 for rupees 5 का मतलब है कि 6 ऑरेंज की कॉस्ट है rupees 5. देन 1 ऑरेंज कॉस्ट इज rupees 5/6. टोटल ऑरेंज कितने परचेज किए गए हैं? 120 ऑरेंज. देन यू विल गेट ₹100. एंड 120 मोर एट 1 a rupee, मतलब एक ऑरेंज 120 और खरीदे गए हैं और उनमें कॉस्ट किसके अकॉर्डिंग दी गई है? 120 मोर एट 1 a rupees. इट मीन्स 1 orange is equal to 1 rupees. Then 120 orange cost 1 into 120, that is 120 rupees. Then total cost of these oranges, total cost of oranges becomes 100 rupees उसने यहाँ दिए हैं प्लस ₹120 here, then it becomes ₹220. Next see, he sold the whole lot. टोटल उसके पास नंबर ऑफ ऑरेंजेस कितने हैं? 120 प्लस 120, इट मीन्स 240 ऑरेंजेस है अब उसके पास. तो उसने उस पूरे लॉट को, जो टोटल उसके पास 240 ऑरेंजेस थे, उसको सेल किया है फॉर 4 rupees 6. मतलब व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? इट मीन्स एसपी के लिए दिस इज कंप्लीटली फॉर द सीपी. एसपी के लिए क्या होगा कि 4 ऑरेंजेस, एसपी है ₹6. इट मीन्स 1 ऑरेंज की एसपी कितनी हो गई? 6/4. टोटल ऑरेंज कितने हैं? 120 प्लस 120, 240 ऑरेंजेस की कॉस्ट 6/4 इंटू 240, 60, 6 6 360, दैट इज इक्वल टू ₹360. What was his profit और profit loss? तो प्रॉफिट क्या होता है? प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू एसपी माइनस सीपी. एसपी है 360, सीपी है 220. तो प्रॉफिट कैसे निकल जाएगा? प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू 360 माइनस 220, दैट इज इक्वल टू ₹140. और अगर हमें प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज फाइंड आउट करना है तो प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज इज इक्वल टू प्रॉफिट डिवाइड बाय सीपी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. सॉल्व इट. 11 2 7s are 14, it becomes 700 by 11, then you change into the improper fraction. So this type we will solve the question. There is very necessary, very much need, firstly understand your question properly, then start to solve it. अगर तुम्हें question का meaning समझ नहीं आया तो it becomes very difficult for you to solve this question. So firstly understand your question, that what he want to ask, how to find out the total cost price, how to find out the total selling price, which type of logic is given to you in the question. Firstly understand this thing, then solve this type of question. Thank you.